Guys, I'm in my aunt's garage, and she has here LiftMaster chain drive openers. She has 2 of them, and then the wall controls, lights. So we're going to start with yes, this garage door opener here. So here's the up and down button, and it's this door. So here you go. It's not too loud. It's kind of noisy, but not the noisiest opener ever. It's kind of though. All right, let's try the other one now. Had a pretty decent installation. All that. Pretty smooth. Okay. So we have the remote. Here's one big one as well. It's a Genie. There's this one. But this here. Take these. Set them down here, and we're gonna close them. You see that? There it goes. Oh, long panel, and then maybe I will show you this keypad here. Here, that's our keypad, and we're going to enter. And that closes the door. And by the way, these are 8 feet tall doors, 8 foot. So, yep, all good stuff. So now I will demonstrate the big one. It's GeniePro screwdriver. I know you cannot see it well, but here's the light button, an up down button. So we're gonna go ahead and open it now. It's a lot noisier. Big screwdriver, garage door opener. See that? Okay. Remote here. I'm going outside to close the door for you. And you'll see that handle. My uncle helped me install that when they were lifting it manually, because they're getting a new spot for in their house. So this handle, so they could lift it easier from the outside. Okay, and this remote, let's see, It's one button remote. It's Genie and code, so let's open it back up. This opener is very loud, as you can see. And this opener actually, it makes a much bigger racket than the other ones, because it's not insulated. I did lubricate it before. It is much quieter now, but it's still kind of noisy. So. And by the way, here's a lock feature. Yeah, it's kind of cold out, so. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, you see barely any snow. It's the middle of December. So, yeah, so let's see. Can I see what model this opener is? It's model, I can't see there, but model CMB8600XL/M, I think. That's what it says. So I'll use the the wall control, and close it one last time. big racket there. Alright. Alright, back to the small ones. Let's take the remote here. It's a 891 LM. Has one button, so let's pick up this one. We're gonna open this door. Yep. These small doors actually have 2 torsion springs. I'll show you when they close, but they do have 2 springs. So I'm going to close it for you with all control. And there. So here, 2 springs.
Okay, Andy, here.
Yeah, I'm showing.
This,
Yeah.
'cause
Yeah.
we're heating the garage here.
Yeah. So, all good stuff. Chain drive opener. It's very quiet. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video, and if you have a comment, feel free to leave one.